you hear it's fucking me coming through, and I'm very cheering. Yeah, I'm roll jeering, nigga. Now I'm laying. I don't know how the fuck I started off like this. Pause, yo, back to the realest. It's fucking me, David, coming through very fiercely, and you can fuck with me on my fucking homies. Imagine that fucking static on your Facebook, nigga, that I got fucking fucked up by this nigga who didn't even hesitate to fucking throw up his two up, and he fucking did it. Better yet, he proved it, that he got it moving like a motherfucking movement. Oh my god, don't fuck with this guy. If you fucking do, that's 8 slices of the pie that he's gonna take, and you're gonna ask why. Because you didn't even know that he does it, he did it, he about to do it, and he about to fucking do it, and he about to fucking do it. What the fuck is his movement? Better yet, what's he proving? That he can move on moving with his fucking movements. God damn, that's like a noun. Now I don't even have anything that's profound, but if I do, motherfuckers gonna start to frown, and they about to bow down. Where the fuck is my crown?